Are Asian women actually more submissive? Well, another way to define submissive is agreeableness in personality traits. Here I have data from a research study that shows the agreeableness based on men versus women by white versus Asian. Overall, studies have shown that men are generally less agreeable than women on an overall population basis. This means there's a lot of overlaps between agreeableness in men and women, but in the extreme edge cases and the density, there are more women who are more agreeable than men. And we see that kind of consistent here. But what's interesting is when we broke it down by race. Looking at the white race alone, which is represented in the black pillars, they are generally higher than the respective Asian agreeableness. White women are actually the most agreeable out of all the people on this chart here. And surprisingly, Asian men is the least agreeable. I guess that's where the Asian dad stereotype starts coming in. What I found most interesting here is that an Asian woman is almost as disagreeable as a white male, so not as submissive as you think. Generally, Asian women actually exhibits a more feminine and smaller petite look, but have you seen the Tiger Moms? They're all Asians and they will whoop your ass if you don't do your math homework. Regardless, there's also a study that have shown that agreeableness correlates with the income that a person can get. This graph here shows the earnings between race and gender. So we have men and women here, and by different races. But what I want to show here is that white men is used as a baseline for salary, being at this gray bar here, and the only one that outcompetes that is Asian men, and they are simultaneously also the least agreeable group that we've seen in the previous graph. And the second to that is, of course, white men and then Asian women, which is the next in line as well for income. And after that is white woman. What do you think of this data and what does it mean to you?